Here I have HTC U11 Life, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So first let's select preferred language. I'll just stay with English, United Kingdom, and then tap let's go. Then you can insert SIM card, but if you don't have it on you can just skip this step and do this later. Then you can copy data from your previous device, but you can also just set up device as new. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can do this later and just skip this step for now. Then you have to accept terms of use, privacy policy and stuff like that. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you can name your device. Then you can set up fingerprint unlock, but you can also skip this step and do this later in settings if you feel like it, but you can just forget about it if you don't like any fingerprint information. Here you have Google services which you can turn off. Then you tap agree. Then you can set up this Edge Sense feature. You can set it up now, but you can also set it later if you feel like it. And device is all set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.